Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we'll continue our journey into Indian Jalebi. From perfect pairings to when and how it's enjoyed across India, let's finish the story of this iconic sweet. Heat the oil or ghee. The frying fat must be hot enough to set the batter quickly, but not so hot that it browns too fast. Pipe the spirals. Batter is squeezed through a cloth with a small hole, a piping bag, or a squeeze bottle. The cook draws circles right into the oil, often overlapping the rings to form a tight coil. Fry until crisp. The spirals are flipped to cook evenly. They should look firm, not soft or puffy. Soak in syrup. Hot jalebi goes into warm syrup for a short soak. Too little time and it stays dry. Too long and it turns limp. Serve fast. Jalebi is best minutes after soaking, when it still crackles. That squeeze and spiral step is where jalebi becomes jalebi. It's like drawing with batter, except the canvas sizzles back. Secret ingredients for the perfect crunch. The secret isn't one mystery item. It's a set of small choices. Fermentation is the big one. Many jalebi batters use yogurt, a pinch of yeast, or a natural ferment from resting flour and water. Fermentation adds tiny bubbles, which helps create that brittle shell. It also adds a slight tang, which keeps jalebi from tasting like plain sugar. Then there's the syrup. Classic flavors often include cardamom. Sweet, warm, and familiar in Indian desserts. Saffron. Adds a floral note and a golden aroma. Rose water or kera. Used in small amounts for perfume-like fragrance. Temperature control matters too. Jalebi needs a hot fry, and a syrup that's warm and sticky, not watery. That's how you get a crisp bite with syrup inside, not a soggy spiral. The best ways to enjoy jalebi. Jalebi is great on its own, but it really shines with the right pairing. In many parts of India, people treat jalebi like a comfort snack, not just a dessert after dinner. One of the most loved combos is jalebi with rabri. Rabri, also spelled rabdi, is milk that's slowly cooked down until it gets thick and creamy, often flavored with cardamom and nuts. The contrast is perfect. Hot, crunchy jalebi against cold, rich rabri. The jalebi cuts through the heaviness, and the rabri calms the sugar rush. In Gujarat, jalebi often shows up with something surprising. Fafda. Fafda is a savory, crispy snack made from gram flour. Sweet and salty together can sound odd, but it works like salted popcorn with caramel. Each bite keeps your tongue guessing. Jalebi also has strong right time, right place energy. Breakfast. In some towns, jalebi is a morning treat with milk or chai, especially in winter. Festivals. Diwali, Dussehra, and local fairs are prime jalebi time, when sweet shops fry batch after batch. Fresh off the kadai. Street-side jalebi tastes different because you're eating it almost instantly, still warm, still snapping. If you're buying jalebi, ask for it fresh. A jalebi that's been sitting too long loses its crunch and starts to taste flat. Fresh jalebi tastes alive, like it's still sizzling even after it's on your plate. Indian jalebi isn't just a sweet. It's the smell of syrup and spice in the air, the sound of a crunchy bite, and the small chaos of sticky fingers. It shows up when people celebrate, when they pray, and when they just want something comforting on an ordinary day. And that's the sweet magic of Indian jalebi. Crispy, juicy, and full of tradition. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.